Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start an oil mill business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start an oil mill business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. With an ever-increasing population, the demand for cooking oils rises year after year. Because of the increased consumption of cooking oil, the manufacturing of oil is becoming a very popular and successful business in every country. Peanuts, cotton seeds, palm kernels, rapeseed, sunflower oil, and other oilseeds are available in different countries. The oil mill is a form of industrial site, typically a building filled with complex machinery, where workers extract edible oil using extraction machines. Before you can start an oil mill, you must first purchase various types of machines and decide what type of oil manufacturing business you want to start, such as mustard oil, peanut oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, and so on. There are numerous options for starting various types of oil mills. This business can be started on a small scale, medium scale, or large scale. Oil extraction mills on a small scale can extract 1 to 10 metric tons of oil per day. Medium-sized oil extraction mills can extract 10 to 50 metric tons of oil every day. Large-scale oil extraction mills can extract more than 50 metric tons of oil every day. The cost of an oil mill is divided into two parts. 1. The cost of setup. The site fee, the cost of the equipment, and the cost of installation. 2. Factory operating costs. The capacity of your oil manufacturing factory is the most basic factor influencing the cost of oil mill setup. Capacity, in general, determines factory location and oil manufacturing equipment selection. In the majority of cases, the investor has purchased or leased factory land. Furthermore, in the local market, the investment cost for factory landing is relatively low. As a result, the primary cost of establishing an oil mill is the purchase of machinery and equipment. Operating costs for an oil mill include operator labor costs, raw material costs, utility costs, transportation costs, advertising costs, and other expenses. To extract oil from various oilseeds, various machines and equipment will be used. The oil expeller, on the other hand, is an important part of the oil milling plant. No matter what raw material you want to process, this machine is required. Oil extraction is done in stages, and you can extract oil from any oilseed using machines and equipment. Here are the steps. Step 1. Seed cleaning. Seed from the market or from the farmer is never pure. Oil seeds contain a variety of small pebbles, mud, dust, and other inorganic impurities that must be cleaned before pressing because pressing them together will reduce the quality of the oil. Impurities are removed from seeds using seed cleaners. By changing the aperture size of the screens, this cleaning machine can clean a variety of oil seeds. Step 2. Heating. To break down oil-bearing cells and maximize oil extraction efficiency, the seeds are heated and frequently treated with steam. Step 3. Extract the oil. In a continuous screw expeller, oil is extracted from treated seed particles. An expeller is primarily made up of cage bar, worms, hopper, barrel, and bearing. Screw expellers in large mills can typically process 10 to 100 tons of oilseed per day. Step 4. Oil filtration. The crude oil extracted from the expeller is filtered by a filter press machine after passing through a screen and being allowed to settle in tanks. The seed residues from settler tanks are referred to as foot. The residues from the screen and filter press are reprocessed in the expeller, where they are combined with fresh oilseed or oil cake. To extract more oil, the oil cake is passed through the expeller several times. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start an oil mill business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.